Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. 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 In today's video, I am going to be trying out the LYS product. I finally got my hands on it. The blushes, the bronzers, the setting powders are all hard to get your hands on. They sell out as soon as they come back into Sephora. LYS, just in case you don't know, but I'm sure you do because it's been all over the internet, is the first black-owned vegan makeup line that's on Sephora. LYS stands for Love Yourself. I have my eyes done already because this is for another video. And I wanted to go ahead and try out the foundation. I do have the LYS Triple Fix Serum Foundation in the shade DN3. And I did pick up, luckily enough, the Satin Matte Cream Blush in Kindness. Kindness was actually the only one that was left available. But I like it because it's like a peachy nude, so you can pretty much use it with any look. And then I picked up the No Limits Matte Bronzer in Strength, which is dark, and I am afraid that it might be a little bit too dark, but we are going to try it anyway. I have not primed my skin, but I did not pick up their primer because I heard that the primer and the foundation don't work well together. So I decided just to use my own. So I'm going to use my Tatcha Silk Canvas, and because I don't like freaking use this stuff enough anyway, and for as much as it costs, I need to be using it. So I'm going to prime my face with this, and then we are going to get started with the foundation. I am actually going to be using a sponge. Every time I use this primer, I forget that I liked it so much and like why I liked it. It's so smooth and it like fills out my pores. And it's skincare and a primer at the same time. So we are going to get, and I may have used a little bit too much. I did already put some eye cream up under my eyes because, listen, the way these wrinkles and lines are set up under my eyes, I need all the eye cream I can get. And I just ordered that not new, but the Tatcha stick serum for under my eyes, so we'll see how that works too. Anyway, I am going to grab my Makiage sponge. This is a new sponge, and I'm mad because what I did was like let the foundation sit on here for too long, and now I stained my sponge. But I am going to shake this foundation, and just like everybody said, this is a very classy bottle. It does have a pump. The shape is a triangle, as you can see. Very different from anything else I have seen. This is a shot in the dark, this DN3. I am hoping that this is my match because I kind of went like by the seat of my pants, but this is it. It's looking a little orange. It's supposed to be a neutral undertone, but it is looking a little bit orange. But we shall see, and I'm praying I don't get foundation on my shirt because foundation does not come out of your clothes. I'm hoping that this is my match, but as I'm looking in my mirror here, it was looking a little orange. As I am blending it in with the sponge, it's looking pretty good. As I'm looking into the viewfinder on my camera, it is looking orange, but I am going to put concealer on also. I don't think this is like a deal breaker or anything, the shade, because it's something that can be fixed. Using it with the sponge, the coverage to me feels like a light coverage. I wouldn't say that this is by any means a medium coverage. Let's see. I'm going to try like a half a pump. Just a little tiny bit more, because I don't want to like overdo it. I didn't put much here before, so we'll like concentrate it right in this area. Okay, and with this one, I am sort of getting light to medium coverage. I do like the way that it feels on my skin though, although I will say initially putting this on, it does feel a little bit dewy. Yeah, it does say it's light to medium coverage, so that's correct. Infused with nourishing skincare like ashwagandha, hyaluronic acid, and turmeric to enhance the look of your complexion. Okay, so we are not covering up anything. We are enhancing things. Okay, I can get with that. I still feel like I am looking orange, but I am going to go ahead and do my concealer, because that is completely from another brand, and kind of set this with some powder, and I will be right back. Alright, I am back. Concealer is on, face is set. I am going to do the blush next, and I have the, actually let me do the bronzer first, and this is the bronzer in dark. I am absolutely afraid of this. I am going to use this Alamar bronzer brush, and I am going to tap lightly because I am afraid. Ooh, yeah, that's red. Ooh. Yikes. It's a pretty bronzer though. I think I could have gotten a bit of a lighter shade. So I'm going a little bit more carefully, and this is the brush I use for my powder, so we'll just kind of, okay, pretty bronzer. I do like it. I do like the way it blends into my skin. We are now going to use this, what is this called? The Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush in Kindness. I have a sort of dual fiber brush from Tarte that I'm going to use with this. And once again, I am going to kind of go lightly. This is too light for me. I can probably pile this stuff on because it's a little light. Like it is definitely nude, but I am used to seeing, there's a brush here on my face. I am used to seeing more color on my cheeks. I don't know, can you see it? Alright, I can't see it on my cheeks too much, but that is the nude bronzer. You can definitely see it on this brush. I mean the nude, the bronzer, the nude blush. And that is it. I am going to sort of go over it. I think, like, for the rest of the day, I am going to, no, I don't want a peach blush. I'm going to find me another blush just to put on just for the rest of my look in my other videos. I do like the formula of the blush. It's just not dark enough for me. So I can see it, but I can't see it at the same time. But so this is what the LYS products are looking like. Even though I have set my face, it still looks a little bit dewy, and I think that is the serum in the foundation. I am going to try to remember to come back a little bit later on and show you all how this foundation has worn. In the meantime, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye. Hey YouTube, welcome back. It is approximately 4 hours later with the LYS foundation. I am looking a little oily, or feeling a little oily right in the area where I normally have my oiliness. Ooh, I got a little lipstick right there. I am also, I'm very sweaty, so some of the stuff that you are seeing is not oil, it is sweat. I am a little oily here, which I'm not normally oily. The color match is still pretty good, but after about 4 hours or so, especially in the summertime, I know that I am probably going to have to blot. So I'm probably going to use my Mally Poreless Face Defender. But that is my check-in